Hello students, welcome back to the online classes. Lesson 1, nouns, we have finished, and I believe that you also might have completed the exercises in your book and written the definitions in your copies. Okay, today we'll take lesson number 2, articles. Okay, lesson number 2, articles. We know about articles very much. What are the articles? A, and the. Okay, three articles are the a and the. Now, as you know, the words a and the are articles. Articles are determiners and point out the nouns. They are always placed before nouns. We know it that these three articles a and the, they are always comes before the noun. Whether it is proper noun, common noun, it is always there before a noun. Always. Okay, so there is no what do you call can be they need not to worry to know about it. This always comes before the noun. Now there are two types of articles. Now they are determiners. We know it. These three articles a and the are determiners. Now two types of articles: the indefinite article a and an. Okay, indefinite article. Okay, indefinite means we do not. There is no limit. Okay, we do not know anything about it. Indefinite, that is a and an. And the definite article the, we know it exactly. Okay, particular, that is the. Now indefinite articles a and an are indefinite articles in English. They are used before common, singular, countable nouns. Okay, they are a and an, both are used before common, singular, countable nouns. That is important. Okay, common noun, singular in person, and what? Countable nouns. Okay, just like a boy. Boy, common noun, singular number, and countable, one boy. Okay, a boy. A girl, a fan, an anchor, an island. So all these words, no, all these nouns are common noun, singular in number, and countable. They can be counted. Uncountable cannot be. Okay, only countables. Okay, they are the indefinite articles. Okay, because we are not sure. A boy means any boy for that matter. An island means any island for that matter. Okay, anything, any island, any boy, any girl. So it is indefinite. I am not talking about any particular boy. If I am talking about a particular boy, then I would use the, okay, or by the name. That's simple thing. Okay, but here we are talking about indefinite. That is anybody. Okay, any boy, any girl. That's why indefinite article, a boy, a girl. Now, using the indefinite article a and an, what are the rules to use a and an? A is used before nouns that begin with a consonant sound. Okay, a is always used with the consonant sound. That is, consonant means what? Which are not there vowels. Okay, except vowels. How many vowels are there? 5, right? A, E, I, O, U. Okay, these are the 5 vowels, and rest of the alphabetic letters are consonant, right? They are all consonant, except these 5 vowels in the alphabet. Okay, we have 5 vowels. Okay, now an is used before nouns that begin with a vowel sound. Remember, not the vowel, exactly the vowel. Of course, that is there, and even the vowel sound. Some words are pronounced with a consonant sound despite beginning with the vowels, such as A, O, E, as in university, one, and European. In such cases, we use the article A. So there are some words which are using with the vowel, but when we pronounce, they use consonant, just like university. Now, university means what? U. When we say U, okay, when we say U, it is Y-O-U. Okay, Y-O-U it is. So, Y is what? A consonant. That's why university is used as A, not an. One. Okay, one. When we say one, one is what? W. N. One. Okay, one. That is why one. A-E-I-O-U, one. One. Either you can use W or you can use V. Okay, 1. That's why it is used as consonant. So it is used as A. There are words that begin with a consonant, but the consonant sound is silent, such as honest. Now, there are another words which are used, which the letter U starts with the consonant, but pronounced as a vowel. Honest. Okay, as you say, honest. No, honest is Honest. Honest. H is started. Okay, which is consonant. But we pronounce with O. Honest. Okay, honest. That is why it is used as an honest man. Similarly, honor, hour. When we say 1 hour, it is not hour. Okay, hour is wrong. We always say hour, 1 hour. Not there is no nothing like that. Okay, it is hour, 1 hour. Okay, hour. Then we have words that begin with the consonant but the pronounced with the vowel. M-A-L-P-G. M-A. Okay. The degree, no? M-A degree. So M-A. M-A. So M. When we use the M is a consonant. But when we pronounce, how you say M? M-E-M. M. So E is what? Your vowel, right? So that is why it is used as an M-A. Okay. Similarly, now fill in the blanks is given. Fill in the blanks with the indefinite articles. Put cross where no articles is required. Okay. So do it by yourself. It is a homework for you. Coming to the definite articles. Okay. The definite article the is used to refer to a specific noun. Okay. The is used for a specific noun. We use with nouns that have been used earlier. Okay, noun that is used earlier. As example, my sister is making a film. The film is on Napoleon. Okay, my sister is making a film. First time we are using it, so indefinite article will come, a film. But the same thing we are using again, then it becomes the film because particular we have done. Ordinals like first, second, third. With them, the will come the first, the second, the third, the last, the fifth, the 10th. Okay, it is always that. A common noun representing a class, the tiger. Not only one tiger we are talking about all the tigers. The boys. Okay, the boys. That means for all the boys, not one boy. Unique nouns or nouns that are only one of their kind. Unique nouns. The sun, the moon, the star. They all are unique. Okay, they all are unique. The Einstein. Why Einstein? Because he is the only person, unique person. That is why. Word collections or word combinations such as to speak the truth. Okay, combination word of together to speak the truth. That is the together. The names of, here again a chart is given. Group of countries, communities, mountain ranges, famous buildings, all this. Now where we have to omit the definite article, where we should not use the definite article before proper noun, New Delhi or Prakash, no, Radha. We don't say the Radha, the New Delhi. No, that is wrong. We have to use only New Delhi. Languages, English has two language. Okay, English has two kinds of articles, definite and indefinite. We don't say the English have. Okay, only English. Names of metals, meals, dinner, breakfast, lunch. Not the breakfast, the dinner, the lunch. No, breakfast, dinner, lunch. Buildings with reference to their purpose, the education institutions. I was in hospital for 2 months. I will go to school tomorrow. Okay, the school, the buildings which are education or some purpose been given. Mountains, again, as we have already seen, names of mountains, of ranges, the what you call mountain ranges, the Western Ghat, the Himalayas, the Alps. Now here, remember, here we are talking about the mountain ranges, the line of mountains. So that is called the whole amount, the Himalayas. Okay, but when we talk about particular mountain, that is Mount Everest or Mount K2, we don't use the there. Okay, because it is particular. Whereas Himalayas is the whole lot. Then uncountable and abstract nouns, wisdom, honey, and all those things. Plural countable nouns, beds, elephants. Understood? I hope you might have understood the chapter article. The three exercises are there. One is on page number 16 and two on page number 18. Please do it. It will be given on your PDF file also. So kindly look into it and complete the work in your book. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you.